Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to change your Imo avatar. So let's start. First open the Imo app. Now tap on your profile picture on top left corner. Now tap on your username. Then tap on the pencil icon on top right corner. Now tap on avatar. And it takes a few moments to load the avatar. Now tap on Imo Avatar. Now select the avatar you like. Now tap on the tick icon on top right corner. If you want to share it to your story, then tap on share. And your avatar is now updated. And that's how you can change your Imo avatar. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.